Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to explain why I've been changing all my subjective videos. You see, I love gymnastics, and I also like YouTubing, because I'm doing it now. So I'm making this new series of gymnastics, and I'm doing this. So far I've gotten saves and fails, and I'm trying to get some stuck landings and other stuff like that in there. So if you don't like it, you can put a thumbs down, like a dislike, or if you do like that, you can put a thumbs up and comment down below. So I typically upload YouTube videos on how to YouTube, because I have all these how to YouTube videos. And this one is going to be on how to make your own playlist. And since my gymnastics stuff is going to be in this playlist, so you can go to, what's it called, Video Manager.
The airport. I arrived at the airport. Wait. I'm not supposed to go.
And you can edit it and put it into the playlist. I can do this to all of my videos here. I'm making another playlist called YouTube Fundamentals, and that is going to give the fundamentals of YouTube into, see, this says add to playlist, so it's going to give you the fundamentals of YouTube, and create new playlist, and call it gymnastics. Create, and see, it has gymnastics on there, and then you can press save changes, and then you can do that to all of your videos. I can just go back here, and I can do it to any other video that I have that I want to put it into that playlist. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, a like, and subscribe. Bye!